Device freezing or rebooting unexpectedly is one of the most annoying tech problems, and it usually means something's off with your hardware or software. So, first off, check if your device is overheating because heat can seriously mess things up. Clean out any dust from your vents or fans because clogged airflow makes your device struggle. Next, look at your apps or programs running in the background. Sometimes they hog memory and cause freezes. Try updating your operating system and all your apps regularly, since updates patch bugs that might cause random reboots. Also, run a virus scan because malware can trigger these issues without you noticing. If your device has a removable battery, take it out for a minute and put it back in to reset things. Another good move is to uninstall any recently added apps or software that might be causing conflicts. And if nothing works, consider backing up your data and doing a factory reset, but only as a last resort since it wipes everything. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with device freezing or rebooting unexpectedly is ignoring overheating problems. If your device feels hot, don't just keep using it. Turn it off and let it cool down to avoid damage. Another common issue is skipping software updates. Outdated software often carries bugs that cause crashes, so always keep things current. Finally, many folks forget to check for malware or viruses, which can sneak in and wreak havoc silently. Running regular scans with trusted antivirus software can stop this. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, making big jobs way less stressful. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who need work done, keeping their schedule full and growing their business.